Okay guys, so welcome guys. In today's tutorial video I'll be showing you how you can buy and sell USDT on the Bitget Exchange. Now Bitget Exchange is an exchange that allow you, if you're in Nigeria, to sell your USDT directly to Naira and get it available in your local bank account or whatever bank account you are banking, be it a local fiscal account or an online bank account, wherever it is. Now Bitget, down there's a difference between Bitget Exchange and Bitget Wallet. The Bitget Exchange enables you to do P2P and engage in other multiple varieties of trading options available on Bitget. Now for the sake of this video, what we'll be doing today is how to buy and sell USDT on Bitget and how to do P2P to Naira. That's if you're in Nigeria on Bitget Exchange. So now let's dive straight into the video. Now for the purpose of this video, most people do not even know how to even open a Bitget Exchange account. Now for that, there is on this video, on my, if you check my channel, you will see I made a video, a full guide tutorial video on how to open a Bitget Exchange account and have it KYC verified. Now for KYC verification, it just takes about 60 minutes or less. Within an hour you see that you have been verified. Now why you need to do that KYC verification is because if your Bitget account is not verified, you will not be able to do P2P. You will not be able to trade on the platform. So KYC takes little, or let me just say just a few, within 60 minutes max, that's an hour, your KYC will be verified successfully. Now what is KYC? KYC just simply means know what your customer. Now for your verification, they might be asking you for any government identification, either driver's license, your NIN, or your BVN. Once you have input those details, or once you are done inputting those details, automatically you'll be verified within 60 minutes. You'll be notified in an hour that your accounts have been verified. Now once you are done with that verification, you hop straight into your Bitget Exchange for trading. Now let's dive into the main aspect of the video. If you are just joining this channel for the first time, make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. While you are watching this video, if you have any question you want to ask in the comment section, make sure you quickly ask. I'll be there to readily guide and explain to you. We are all here. The purpose of this video is for learning purposes and guidance. So now let's dive straight into it. Now while you see this screen is dark, is because there is a certain mode you can choose. Either you want it white or dark. I prefer dark because it brings about clarity and it makes it bold. That's just an additional information. If you want to do that, you go to your setting. Now quickly, let's head into it. I'll be giving you guys the step by step, will I just put it, baby steps guide, so you can get it and understand it clearly and in simplicity. Now for this is an extra information for those people that engage in airdrop. You should know that exchanges like Binance, OKX and some other exchanges have delisted the options of Naira trading on their own platform. So if you are engaging in any airdrop, make sure you use exchanges like Bitget or even Bybit. You understand? But Bitget is my top most recommended trading P2P platform, especially if you are trading in Nigeria, because it's very simple for you to do, just as I'll be showing you now. Because if you use other exchanges to receive airdrop, once you swap it to USDT, there's no P2P option available. And if you want to now remove that your USDT from that exchange account to platforms that enables for P2P, at the end of the day the value of your USDT will be slashed. You understand? So it's best you start up with Bitget. If you don't know how to open a Bitget Exchange account, make sure you check the video. Just go to my playlist, tap on my playlist and look for where I put Bitget, how to create and verify your Bitget account, and you'll be done with that within few minutes. Now let's head straight into it. Now for this video, now if you want to go to the P2P trading option, what you just need to do is to just tap on more. So now this is it. So once you tap on more, a lot of icons will load up. So once it load up, you tap on P2P. If you want to engage in P2P, make sure you have your account handy that you'll be using to receive fund or transfer fund. Now I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide for the buy option and for the sell option. Make sure you follow this video carefully. Now you can see there is USDT. If I tap on this USDT, there are other coin option cryptocurrency available, but what we are trading now is what? USDT. Now if you tap on USDT, you can check what? Limit buy. I say we should start with what? The limit buy. Now let's say I want to buy USDT that is what? Maybe 1,000 or less. So, but let's start with what? You can see the price available, so let's start with what? 5,000. We'll tap on confirm. Now as I'm what? This is like a filter. As I'm doing this filter, automatically traders that are available that want to sell that I can buy their USDT at that price, automatically they will be the ones to pop up, and the ones that will not sell at that price will not pop up. So if I tap on method, I will just tap on what? Bank transfer. That's I want to pay through what? Bank transfer. Now this is a key thing you have to know. Now if you see restricted, that means Bitget have currently restricted this trader. Maybe there's an issue somewhere that he or she is going to resolve. Now let's look for this. Now if you want to buy USDT, you have to know that there are different what? Price options. So you don't just hastily just go buy because you see a first person that wants to buy or somebody that wants to what? Sell. Now I said we are buying. Now you can see this person is selling for 1,688. Now here's another person selling for 1,690, 1,693 because they impute different price. Now let's check for a basic information that you need to know. Now you have to check the person orders and trading volume and successful trade. Now for this person that is selling at what? 1,689, the person have done 3,877 orders and they are what? 100% successful, but this person is restricted, so we're not going for this person. This person that wants to sell now is selling for 1,688 with what? 1,368 orders, 99% successful. So that's a good one. You can just scroll through and just follow through this method I just explained to you, so you can do yours successfully. So now let's go. Now want to buy. Now if you just tap on the buy option, it will load you to the interface where you can what? Interact with the seller and also make payments and receive your USDT. If you are joining this channel, make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. If you have any question to ask me in the comment section. Once you find this video useful and educative, make sure you drop a thanks in the comment section. Now this is it. Let's say I'm buying for what? 5,000 naira. I will tap on 5. Once I tap on the amount, the value in USDT, it will appear automatically. Now this is the value in USDT. As I tap on 5,000 naira, you can see automatically my 5,000 naira is going to give me 2.96 USDT. Now I will tap on what? Buy with what? Zero fees. Now this is, so once I tap with buy with what? Zero fees. Now there are options here that will be made available for me. Now this what Bitget is notifying me that this order has been generated. Proceed to payment. That is, you have to pay within 14 minutes or less. You understand? The timer starts from what? 15 minutes. Now if I tap on contact here, I'll be able to chat with the person that wants to sell live. For instance, now I can just type to the person and say, hey, I want to buy USDT. Are you online? You understand? These things are not actually necessary, but you can do that just to ensure that you have a quick response, because automatically as this person is online, Bitget are notifying him and he can see these things without you chatting. But you can just go ahead to do the chat, so you just make yours fast. So once you are done chatting with the person and you clearly see what the quantity of USDT you will receive and the price rate, you tap on next. So now once you tap on next, the person's detail will appear here. Now this person is using what? PalmPay, and this is the person's bank account. Now if you want to make payments, now especially if you're in Nigeria, you have to ensure that when you are making payments, either you are buying or selling, do not fill in any crypto related word as the narration. Best you use your name. Just put your name on. You understand? Once you are buying, you just put your name as the narration, because if you put any crypto related word, you know what will happen if you are in Nigeria. You understand? So once you want to make payments, you minimize. You don't just slide, don't erase, don't remove this thing. Don't remove your Bitget from your interface. Just minimize. And once you are done, once you make payments, make sure you screenshot that payment as your payment proof. Now once you have screenshot that payment and have made payments, you tap on what? Paid. Once you tap on paid, Bitget will quickly notify this person that payment has been made, and the person will go and check it. Once the person have confirmed in his account that he has received it, he will release what? Your USDT to you. Now you see, because I didn't make any payments, I will not be tapping on what? Paid, because I didn't make payment. So I'll just tap on what? Cancel. I hope you guys understand this interface very well. Now because I don't want to buy, I will just say I don't want to place trade anymore. I'll tap on what? Cancel. You understand? So I've cancelled that trade. I'll tap on what cancel, then I tap on confirm. So I've cancelled that trade, you understand? So now let's go quickly if you want to what sell your USDT. For instance, now let's say you have USDT available in your what Bitget Exchange account. Maybe you got it from an airdrop or whatsoever means that you got it from, and you want to what sell it and have it received direct to your what local bank account. Now this is how to go to it step by step. Now remember this filter, you can choose the price. If you are selling USDT that is worth of what 10,000 or whatsoever amount, you just impute it here and tap on what confirm, then you tap on what bank transfer. That is it. Now if you want to do this interface, make sure once you tap on this cell, you will see they will not once you tap on this cell, they will notify you to impute what the bank account that you want to use to receive your funds. So it will be there made available. Now if I want to sell now, just as I did for buy, I will do for sell. I'll look for traders that have good buying price that I want to buy from. Now look at this trader over here, the top trader. He has done 2,511 orders and they are what 100% completed. Now you see he's selling, the quantity he's selling is what 4,465 USDT, and his limit sell is from 5,000 upward, you understand? So now we'll tap on what sell. Now let's say I want to sell USDT. Make sure you follow this video carefully. Make sure you download it so you follow it as a baby step guide so that you don't what make any form of what mistake. Make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Now check the group link, check my description box, you see my Telegram link so you can join our Telegram group to stay updated for financial information as well as crypto airdrops that are payable. Now quickly, now let's say I'm selling USDT. This is it. Now for instance, now if you have USDT in your account, it will not appear here because you will not be able to sell from your spot. So now let me just tap on transfer because I've already transferred from what my spot to my funding wallet. That's why you are seeing that money available there. Now in case you are doing yours and you want to sell your USDT, and when you check it, you could not find any balance here, and you know for sure you have an available balance, what you do is to tap on what transfer. So once you tap on this transfer, you will now look at this. You will now say from spot to funding, you tap on all. Now there is no money available here because I've already transferred to my funding. I'm just giving you this guide step for you to know what you are doing, so in case you don't see it. Now you can see there are different coins option here, you understand? So but we are doing for USDT, it's the same that applies for all. So once you are done with that transfer, let's say I'm selling what USDT worth $4. So if I tap on $4, now you can see the price, what this person will be paying me. This person will be paying me what USDT that is what he will be paying me. This what I will be receiving in my account directly, you understand? Now once he pays me this, once I'm done filling this detail, what I will do next, I will tap on sell. So because I don't want to sell this USDT, I will not tap on it, because if I tap on it now, this person will be notified about this sale and he will quickly make payment into my what bank account. So but for the sake of this video, I'll be explaining the next step afterward. Once you tap on sell, Bitget will notify this buyer that I have initiated a sell trade. He will see it, he will check my account details and he will make payment. Once he make payments, I'll be notified in my bank account. Once I see my bank account, I've received this exact money, I'll come back to Bitget and tap what payment received. Then I'll now give Bitget I'll not allow Bitget to what send my USDT to him. I'll tap on payment receive and approve that the USDT to be sent to him. So basically that's all. If there's any other thing you don't understand about buying and selling of USDT on Bitget Exchange, make sure you ask me in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply you and answer you step by step so you can do it carefully. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe to this channel right now. If you found this video educative and helpful, make sure you drop a thanks in the comment section. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.